Remember, this region over here where we're currently sitting is resistance, and price could come down to give us another test closer towards this red box over here. In fact, we may even come and test all these lows over here, tap into all this liquidity, shake them all out, and then prolong this consolidation and then give us the big move. So you got to be Mango. You got to make sure that you don't get shook out. So either buy higher when the move starts or wait closer to this region over here, so that way you're not getting shook out on a move that threatens your position, putting you into the red. Alright guys, so that was a clip from the previous video we did on INJ Injective Protocol. And as you guys can see, price indeed made its way down to that red box territory, tapping into some key lows into our red box territory, and now we are finding support right over there. So if you stayed Mango, if you stayed stress-free, if you stayed patient, you got a really good buy zone over here. And now the beautiful part of this trade is that it's going to be very, very easy to manage. If you instead bought in this zone over here where we said, hey guys, it's much better to wait for price to be either higher or to come down to this red box territory. If you had done that, well, now you'd be in a very, very difficult and painful position, right? Because price has moved so much against you, and you could still be right on your trade. This could still bounce up from here, right? So you're going to have to wait through this pain to see whether you're wrong. This is the power of technical analysis, guys. This is the power of TA. Most people think that TA is all about forecasting price targets, but no, the true power of technical analysis comes in knowing how to stay your hand from doing something stupid, from doing something painful. It's about risk management. You guys can see right over here how the technical analysis helped us stay our hand from buying into, albeit a very, very tempting move, right? INJ looked fantastic. It has looked fantastic for so long, but we recognize that, hey, it's much better to buy higher or just simply wait for lower, better prices. And what do you know? Our patience has been rewarded. So I want all of you guys to remember this. I want all of you to note this down. Technical analysis is about risk management first and profits second. In fact, your profits, your success in the space will always be a consequence of your risk management. Period. It's as simple as that. By the way, for those of you who are completely new to technical analysis and you're looking to juice out the most out of this upcoming bull market, I really recommend checking out Krisha's Mango Sprouts program. It's currently in its early bird discount phase where you're getting 50% off the eventual price of the program. And if you scroll down through the page, you're going to see that the current price is only $299. That is a ridiculous price for the value you are getting. And this price will be going up, by the way, for each module that gets added to the program. Okay, so now let's talk about when we are wrong on this trade, when we are going to be looking to exit this trade, and what are our targets if we are right on this trade. Let's start with our invalidation. We always want to know when we are wrong in that trade, right? Everything starts with risk management first, profit second. So when are we wrong on this trade? Very, very simple, guys. As of right now, we are still looking at this red box territory right over here. Remember what we talked about in the last video. We said that INJ may tap into all of these liquidity lows over here. Well, we have yet to tap into this low over here, right? Now, don't get me wrong. It doesn't mean that INJ has to do it. It doesn't mean INJ has to come down over here before making its way to the upside. What I'm trying to say is, in case it does, you need to be ready and not get shook out of your trade, right? Which is why at Mango, we like to draw zones. We like to draw boxes because we can start buying into that area. You can start dollar cost averaging into the zone over here. So as long as we are living above this red box territory, INJ is fine, okay? It's when we start seeing candles close underneath this red box, that's when you exit this trade. Because at that point, we could see INJ come all the way down to the $20 region first and perhaps even the $17 region, right? So you don't want to be sitting through that. If we are wrong on this trade, we stay humble and we exit. But for now, things are looking good. Now, keep in mind, guys, this is the invalidation as of today. This invalidation may change tomorrow, day after. It could be higher, it could be lower. And I will update you guys when and if that invalidation changes. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification icon so that way you guys are staying up to date with this trade as it develops. So now finally, let's go ahead and talk about our targets, what everyone is waiting for. I have a eventual target, guys, of all the way up to $100 to $114, right? That being said, I also have an interim shorter term target of around $50 to $55. So essentially, we can go ahead and mark out two zones, guys, okay? The $50 to $55 region, somewhere around here, and another zone at around $110 to $100 right over there. Notice what I'm doing, guys. I'm using the psychological level as the base of my box and the measured move target for the top of my box, right? That's how we get our zones over here. Remember, zones will make your exits easier. They will make your take profits easier as well. Keep it mango, keep it easy, keep it stress-free. So yeah. Finally, I also want to point out to you guys that if you go on over to the dashboard and you filter out INJ, it is one of the better looking coins. If you hit the drop down, you're going to see that the weekly is still long, the 4-day is still long, the 2-day is neutral with pretty goddamn good volatility right over here. Bull Shichimoku on the 4-day and the weekly as well. The one thing that we need to be concerned about over here, guys, is the bearish divergence on the 4-day. But if INJ sees that bounce over here off this red box territory that we are looking for, that 4-day divergence gets invalidated. So for now, things are still looking good. Let's keep it mango. Let's keep it easy. I will keep you guys updated on this trade. If you guys enjoyed this video and are looking for more altcoin videos like this, leave a comment down below and let me know which coins you guys are looking for. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.